In our business, great feedback is the best reward. When customers share the love, we just can't help ourselves from sharing it with everyone else. We work hard to please our customers, and we're proud of the job we do. It's always great to be recognized, especially when customers take the time to send a review online like this one. When our customers give us glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know we're fulfilling our commitment to provide every customer with a first-class experience. We love hearing great feedback because it really is our goal to satisfy everyone who works with us. Now that's a total win-win situation. We love our repeat customers, but we also love new customers, and we'd like that to be you. Give us a chance to show you what we can do. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.